Chaos here. Welcome back to my channel. Nah, it's Chaos. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you the new gun. Yeah, looks pretty nice. Look at that. That's the animation. And drop the gun. That lag though. Look at it. That's the icon. It looks pretty nice. Yep, boy. Pretty easy to no scope with. I'm gonna let you listen to the animation sound in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, next, the reloading, the shooting sound next. By the way, I just showed you how to control your sniper things. How to snipe, like flick. As you can see, I hit it like a lot of times here, 2 times here. I tried to aim for these two, not this. For I did it by accident. These two I targeted to. That's how you get your sniping kills better. Sound now. Pretty thick. Up sound. Now the Yep. Pretty nice. Anyways, thank you for watching. I just wanted to show you the new gun. Sorry, I waited for reloading. I just want to let you see the new TRG-22 sniper rifle. I mean, it was out before, but still, it was. Some people saw it in the beta. Some people got to play it before me. It's released 9.11. So, anyways, thank you for watching. I will see you in the next episode. If you're new, make sure to subscribe, like the video, and I will see you dudes in the next episode. Bye.